In today's video, we're going to restore a backup task that's stored out on Synology's C2 cloud service back to the Synology NAS. Hi, I'm Tony, and if this is your first time with us, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that little bell so that you're alerted to when I release new content. That being said, let's head on over to the computer and get started with today's video. Okay guys, so in last week's video I showed you how to create a backup using Hyper Backup out to the Synology C2 Cloud Service data center, the new data center out in Seattle. In fact, we're looking at the file station here, and the backup task included this music folder which contained this Van Halen folder and these Van Halen songs. So what we're going to show you today is how to do a complete restoration back from the C2 server back to the Synology. And to demonstrate that task, the first thing I'm going to do is come into the file station and I'm going to completely delete this Van Halen folder and all of the songs inside. You can see now that there's nothing in the music folder. So after the restoration process has completed, if everything works successfully, we should have the Van Halen music folder back here with all of the songs. So that being said, let's close this. Now let's go up to the main menu and launch Hyper Backup. From this window here, you can see the two backup tasks. I have my local backup and I have my C2 backup. So what we're going to do from this window is come down to this icon here, the restore icon, and we're going to click it and we're going to do a data restore. And the next window says select the restoration task, select the backup task to restore. So we're going to select Synology C2. It shows the last backup stats. We're going to go ahead here and click on next. Under the system configurations window, we're just going to leave it set to the default do not restore system configuration and click next. Looking at the available folders to restore, we're going to click on the music folder and click next. And then we're going to go ahead and click apply. The restoration process has begun. We have a status bar here. And you can see now we have a succeeded status here. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Let's come back on over to the file station. Let's click on the music folder. And here's the Van Halen folder restored with all of the music inside. So here you can see that the restoration process from the C2 backup cloud service back to the Synology is a very straightforward, simple process. If you found any value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you guys for using those Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. Please stay safe, and we'll see you next time.